let's say, can only dedicate 10 minutes per day to mobility work, right? What are some drills or routines that they could incorporate into their daily lives?
Okay, really good question because yes, often overlooked. But I would say as you get older, once you're, let's say, past 30s, it's probably what really needs a lot of attention. And when I say a lot of attention, it does not have to be a full power 1 hour session every day. Like you said, if you have 10 minutes and if you're dedicating that to some solid mobility work, I think you'll be in a very good place because, you can really grow your muscles. You can do all the strength training that you do. You can also do flexibility based drills, which is kind of lengthening the muscle. But if you really don't take care of your joints and all of these other tendons and ligaments, then it could lead to, because they'll become your weak links in your body. So I would say, I mean, it's very hard to kind of give a general answer, but if you ask me, I would say if you take care of your hip, shoulder mobility, because these are the usual areas where people tend to be tight, that kind of already ties down to your spine as well. If you have limited amount of time, I would say just go on YouTube, find hip and shoulder mobility drills, and you have a lot of follow along routines. And there's so much information out there. And really, you can't really hurt yourself here because you're not really lifting any extreme amount of weight. So you can start slow.